Hey, welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. On this video, I will show you how to unlock pretty much any brand of any smartphone. It is very simple and we will do it step by step together. So as I said before, the process is pretty much the same for all models. No matter if it's a Samsung, if it's an HTC, if it's a Motorola, if it's any type of iPhone, the process is the same. So let's go ahead and get started. I will be doing the process with the Samsung J3, this one over here. The first thing you will have to do on any phone is go ahead and find out the imei number. You do this by going to the dial screen and type *#06#. There you go. A 15-digit number will appear on your screen. Make sure to write down this number without any mistakes. We will use it on our next step. So now go to your internet browser and go to the webpage unlockpanda.com. Once you're on the website, you will have to provide some information about your phone. First, you have to provide the original provider. That means the network where you bought the phone or which is currently locked to. In this case, it's United States AT&T. Now the manufacturer or the brand of the phone, in this case it's Samsung. There you go. And then you will have to enter the exact model. Samsung, there are many models, so be careful to select exactly the one. In this case it's Samsung Galaxy J3 and we're gonna choose the economic service. Let's look for it. There it is. Now you have to enter the imei number, which was the 15-digit number we found out on the last step. Lastly, enter your email address. Here you will receive the unlock code as well as the unlock instructions. Then you have the option to enter your phone number. I'm not gonna do that. And at the bottom, you see the price as well as the delivery time. So let's go ahead and enter unlock now. Now on the following page, you get a chance to review your order. Make sure everything is correct. And if everything looks good, we can go to the bottom. Let's go down. And here we will proceed with the payment with PayPal, which is a very secure and easy method. If you don't have a PayPal account, then you can go ahead and pay with a credit card as well. So I'm just gonna provide here my PayPal account information and complete my payment. And once I'm done with the payment, you will be receiving an email just like this, depending on the delivery time of your model, which will contain detailed step-by-step instruction as well as the unlock code. So now let's move to the following step, which is insert an unsupported SIM. So in this case, I can insert a SIM from any carrier except one from AT&T. And after I insert the SIM, I have to turn on the phone. As you can see, so far the process has been very simple and very secure. Now I can go ahead and turn on the phone again. And when it's completely on again, it should automatically ask me for the unlock code. Just have to wait a couple of more seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go in. And there you go. It's asking me for an unlock code. This is the unlock code that you received on your email. Make sure you enter it without any mistakes. It's important to say that this unlock code will only work one time for this unique phone. If you enter that code on another phone, it won't work. So let's focus here and enter the unlock code correctly. After we're done entering the numbers, let's go ahead and click on unlock. And there you go, your phone is factory unlocked. So we did it with a Samsung, but remember, the process is pretty much the same for all brands and phones. So as you see here, I'm getting a signal. That means the phone is fully functional. So the process was easy, secure, it's not that expensive, and it's totally worth it. I hope this video was useful for you. Remember to give us a like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.